Okay, video three. Video three. We're just going to practice this a couple more times, just so you're a little bit more familiar on making sure you know how you're using the trig values, using the formula for the right angle triangle, which is Pythagoras' theorem. So two more examples, and then we'll flip it up and switch things around because, we like making things difficult. All right. So taking a look at the formula that we have, okay, we're still using the right angle triangle. I've just flipped it over here. This is still going to be the hypotenuse since this is still the longest side. And these ones are the ones we're going to determine. The formula hasn't changed. It's still a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So let's get started. Now, assuming that we're still trying to find the hypotenuse, okay, which is this long one. Let's say we have a value of 6 here, and a 7 here. As previously stated, okay, what we need to do is just determine which one's going to be our A and which one's going to be our B. As I've said before, I usually just give this guy the A value, this one B, this guy remains my C. Okay? I don't change it up, just force of habit. So taking a look, now what we do, we simply substitute our values for our unknowns. Okay, now that we have some knowns. I stated that A, can't see, stated that A is going to be 6, 6 squared plus B, which is going to be 7, 7 squared, which equals C squared. Now we do the math. 6 squared means 36 times 6 is equivalent to 36. 7 squared, 7 times 7, equivalent to 49. Then we have C squared. We have to add them here, okay? Adding them, that's 5, carry the 1, 8. So C squared equals 85. Are we done? No, we're not done. Now, basically, we have to, according to my cue card, do the opposite of the squared function, which is square root. Okay. Now, you're going to get a decimal answer here. First, let's do the decimal and see what we're going to do with it. Find the square root of 85, you're getting 9.2. Okay, there is a decimal here. It's below the rounding requirement. So I would just write it for you that C equals 9. Okay. In the next video or the next second half of this video, I'm just going to change the numbers and see if you can follow through on how it goes. I'm not going to explain each one. Try to work along with me and we'll go through it. So let's erase these values. So what if we have 10 and 17? Okay. Now what you can see is for this one, I went through, I did my substitutions, got my values. 10 squared is 100, 17 squared is 289. Added them together to get 389. Did the square root of it. Came up with a decimal value, 19.7. Okay, sorry, there's a point there. And rounded it to 20. Hopefully that helps. We'll see you soon. I get it.